You're right. Just gonna get a cuppa. Do you want one? No. Suit yourself, innit?
Whoa, slow down. Did anyone understand that? Because that was real British English. Hello and welcome to British English with Tess. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam. Hello.
Today we're answering the question every single English learner asks. Why can't I understand British people?
You studied for years. You can read. You can write. Then a Brit opens their mouth and it's just noise.
It really is. And here's the good news. It is not your English. British people squeeze and blend their words, and today we'll show you exactly how they do it. It's level A2 to B1. By the end, you'll understand fast, real British speech, the kind no textbook ever teaches you.
And stay right to the end because I'll give you one little phrase that sounds like complete nonsense, and you will understand it perfectly.
I still think just gonna get a cuppa is one word, Sam.
Honestly, it nearly is. Captions on, and don't worry, we slow everything right down. Lovely. Let's begin.
Right, Sam. Let's start with the biggest secret of all. Brits do not say every word fully. We blend them together.
We're lazy, basically.
We're efficient. Go on. Give everyone the most common example.
Okay, I will never say I am going to. Too slow. I say I'm gonna.
And there it is. Going to becomes gonna. Listen to the two. Going to, gonna. Say it with me, everyone. Gonna.
So instead of I am going to make a cup of tea, a Brit says, I'm going to make a cuppa.
Wait, slow down. You've already done two. Let's take just the first one. I'm gonna. Try it at home out loud. I'm gonna. Lovely. You just spoke like a Brit. And listen, gonna is everywhere. I'm gonna try. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna be late. Once your ear catches gonna, you'll hear it 100 times a day. Number 2, Sam, its little sister.
Want to becomes wanna. Do you want to go becomes do you want to go?
So want to, wanna. And listen to the start of that. Do you became due. 2 words crushed into one little sound. Due.
Do you want a cuppa? Do you want to come? Do you want to go out?
That due catches everyone out. It's so fast. Say it slowly first, everyone. Do, you. And now fast. Due.
This, by the way, is exactly what happened to my friend Hannah. American. First trip to London, lovely woman, brilliant English.
Uh-oh. What happened to Hannah?
She gets in a black cab. Driver's chatting away. And he says, "Where are you off to, love?" And she just froze. She told me it sounded like one long word.
Where are you off to? Where are you going? Poor Hannah.
It gets worse. She gets out and she says thank you. And the driver goes, "Ta." And she had no idea ta means thanks.
Oh, ta is a good one. Quick note, everyone. Ta is a tiny, friendly way to say thank you. Just ta. You'll hear it everywhere. So when Hannah heard ta,
She thought he was saying goodbye in another language.
bless her. Okay, let's save the next Hannah. Number 4. Sam, what do we say instead of have to or got to?
Gotta. I've got to go becomes I gotta go.
Gotta. So I gotta go. I gotta work. We gotta be quick. It means you must do something. Say it. I gotta go.
And if I don't know the answer to something, I don't say I don't know. Way too long.
Go on. What do you say?
Dunno. Just dunno.
Dunno. I don't know becomes dunno. Listen. I don't know. Dunno. Where's the station? Dunno, sorry.
Honestly, half of British conversation is just dunno and shrugging.
Sadly true. Now, let me show you all of these at once. Sam, say a full sentence at real British speed. Don't be kind.
All right, I'm just going to pop out and get a bite to eat. Do you want to come?
Stop! Perfect. Okay, everyone. That was one sentence. Let's open it up slowly. All right? That's just hello. I'm just going to pop out. I'm going to go out and get a bite to eat. Get some food. Do you want to come? Do you want to come?
So the whole thing is simply, hi, I'm going out to get some food. Do you want to come?
Hear how friendly it is once it slows down. It was never difficult. It was just fast. And two lovely extras there. Pop out means go out for a short time, and a bite to eat means a small meal. Right, quick challenge, everyone. I'm going to say a normal sentence and you make it sound British. Ready? I am going to get a cup of tea. Did you say, I'm going to get a cuppa? Brilliant! You're getting it!
They're doing better than Hannah already.
Everyone does better than Hannah. Now, we're halfway and stay with me because soon I'll slow all of these down so you can really practice. But first, the most famous little word in British English. Sam? Innit.
Ah, innit. The magic word. It comes from isn't it? But honestly, we stick it on the end of everything.
Nice day, innit? It's expensive, innit? You're tired, innit? It just means, isn't it? Or, right. You're asking the other person to agree.
It's very informal, very London. You don't need to say it, but you absolutely need to understand it.
That's the key, everyone. You don't have to use all of these. You just have to understand them when they fly at you. Try it once for fun. Nice day, innit? And while we're here, 3 quick bonus ones because Brits love these. Let me becomes lemmy. Give me becomes gimme. And because becomes cause.
Let me see. Give me a minute. I'm late 'cause of the bus.
Lemmy, gimme, cause. You don't need to say them, just catch them. Say one with me. Let me see.
My favourite is 'cause. 3 letters doing the whole job of because. Very British.
Efficient, Sam. We agreed on efficient. And one more family because these get crushed the most. Questions. What are you doing becomes what you doing. What do you want becomes what do you want.
What you up to? What are you doing? What do you think? What do you think?
So when a Brit fires a question at you and it starts with a quick w sound, it's almost always what are you or what do you. Slow it down. What are you? Watcha.
And got you becomes gotcha, meaning I understand. Gotcha.
Quick game, everyone. I'll say something fast. You tell me the real words. Ready? Dunno, innit? It means I don't know, right? Did you get it? If you got that, you're basically British now.
Now, back to Hannah, because she had one more disaster.
Of course she did.
She's getting off the bus, and she hears everyone saying to the driver, "Cheers, drive." And she's thinking, who is drive? Why does everyone love drive?
Cheers, drive. Oh, that's so British. Cheers means thank you. And drive, they're calling the driver drive. Thanks, driver. Cheers, drive.
She spent a week looking for a man called Drive. Oh no. And then the Underground finished her off. The announcement says, mind the gap. and she thought it was one word.
Mind the gap. Be careful of the space between the train and the platform. They say it so fast it all joins together. Listen slowly. Mind the gap.
And this train is for comes out like strains for. The trains eat the words too.
They do. So if the tube ever sounds like pure noise, you're not wrong. It is fast. Just slow it down in your head.
Poor, poor Hannah. But you know what? By the end of her trip, she got it. She came back and said to me, "All right, fancy a cuppa?"
No, she did it.
She did it, full British. And that, everyone, is exactly where we're going. And Tess, give this thing its proper name for everyone who wants to look it up.
Good idea. This blending of words has a real name, connected speech. That's the whole secret. Brits aren't using hard words. They're just connecting easy words together, very fast. Once you know that, English stops being scary.
Connected speech. Not slang, not bad English, just normal, fast, friendly talking.
Exactly. So here's your new rule. When British English sounds like one long noise, don't panic. Break it into the small words you already know. And you do know them, I promise. Now, that last phrase Hannah used, fancy a cuppa, that's the nonsense phrase I promised you. We'll crack it open in the vocabulary, but first, let's slow everything right down. Right, let's lock in our 8 pieces of real British speech. I'll say each one slowly and clearly. Number 1, gonna. This is going to. For example, I'm gonna call you later. It's gonna rain. When you hear gonna, just think going to. Number 2, wanna. This is want to. I wanna go home. Do you wanna come? Want to. Wanna. Number 3, due. This is do you, squeezed into one quick sound. And do you remember who this little word confused so badly? That's right, Hannah in the taxi. Do you want a cuppa? Do you live here? Listen for that quick due at the start of questions. Number 4, gotta. This is got to or have to. It means you must do something. I gotta go. We gotta hurry. You gotta try this. Number 5, dunno. This is I don't know. Dunno, sorry. One little word, a shrug, and you sound completely British. Number 6, innit. This comes from isn't it, but Brits add it to the end of almost anything to mean right? Lovely, innit? Mad, innit? You don't need to say it, but now you'll understand it. Number 7, cuppa. This is a cup of tea, not coffee, tea. Fancy a cuppa? I'll put the kettle on for a cuppa. The most British drink with the most British little word. And number 8, the nonsense phrase from the start. Are you ready? Fancy a cuppa? Let's break it open. Fancy here means would you like, and a cuppa is a cup of tea. So fancy a cuppa simply means would you like a cup of tea? That's it. It sounded like nonsense, and now you understand it perfectly. Well done. Lovely work. Now let's practice slowly. I'll say each one, you repeat in the gap, then I'll say it once more. Ready? I'm gonna. I'm gonna. Do you wanna? Do you wanna? I gotta go. I gotta go. Dunno. Nice day, innit. Nice day, innit. Fancy a cuppa? Fancy a cuppa? Beautiful. And here's your real homework. This week, watch a British video and listen for just one of these. When you catch a gunner or a dew in the wild, you'll smile. That's your ear waking up. And that's it for today. You now understand the secret of real British speech. The blending, the squeezing, the little words. Brits aren't speaking badly, they're speaking normally. And now, so can you. You did brilliantly. Be like Hannah. By the end, she cracked the code. You will too. Just keep listening. And remember today's magic words. Connected speech. When British English sounds fast and scary, it isn't hard, it's just joined up. Slow it down, and it's all words you already know. If this helped you, please subscribe and turn the captions on, and tell us in the comments, which British word confused you the most? And join us next time because we're staying on real British English, what British people really mean. When a Brit says, "Not bad," "Quite good," or "I'll bear it in mind," they often mean the complete opposite. It's a minefield. It really is. Thank you for listening. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam.
Bye for now.
Bye.